Never been incarcerated, never did time, but I've carried my father's shame. He chose his destiny, he chose my name. I'll choose my own life, I'll earn my fame. As I light another blunt and take another toke, I drink this whiskey from a barrel of oak. I'm not a comedian, life's no joke. The money don't matter, we all leave this life broke, but I'll think of a way out till my ears start to smoke. I'll chase my fears through fire and flame, sip from this bottle to drown out the pain. Through perseverance I'll forge my name, then look back at my past while I dance in the rain. Rain on my face, cigar in my hand, whiskey on my breath, scars across the land. They said the streets would bury me young, but I turned every loss into another lung. Full of smoke, full of fire, full of fight, I walk through the dark, but I own the night. Father's sins don't own my soul. I cut the chain and I paid the toll. No case, no cell, no eyeball, just a man rewriting who the hell we are.
The money don't matter, we all leave this life broken, but I'll burn every bridge till my ears start to smoke. I'll chase my fears through fire and flame, sip from this bottle to drown out the pain. Through blood, sweat and tears I'll forge my name, then look back at my past while I dance in the rain. Yeah, dance in the rain, cigar lit, whiskey raised, breaking every chain. Born in the fire, baptized in the storm. I chose my own name, and I made it my home.